did economics, accounting and finance at the London School of Economics and moved from there, as I said, into industrial robotics, and really saw that the next era of IT was in the on-demand and cloud computing space.
Cloud computing is all about data, and trusted cloud computing is all about storing data securely, delivering it reliably, delivering it and storing it cost effectively, and ensuring it's available anywhere, anytime.
So Trusted Cloud customers no longer need any in-house IT or voice installations. All software and communications is delivered from the Trusted Cloud through secure network connections from professional enterprise-grade data centers and charged per user per month. NetApp enables us to deliver on our promise of trusted cloud capability to our customers. It's the world-class capability of not just technology, but a commitment to customer service that makes the partnership so powerful. One of the key factors for us is the capability to build the business based on the FlexPod. And the scalability of the FlexPod is critical to us. There is no other solution in the market that has the capability to scale through thousands of users and tens of thousands of users in the way that the FlexPod does.
We can leapfrog you right now into Trusted Cloud Computing. We've got the platform ready to go. It can be white labelled. You can own the customer, and you're on the world's best platform with FlexPod to deliver those services. And at the end of the day, we're building our business on NetApp.